After completing my technical course at Evision, I got a job offer with package of 3 LPA. My name is Suraj Kumar and I am from Hazaribagh, Jharkhand. I completed BTech in Computer Science from CIT College Ranchi. Evision Technoserve gave me the opportunity to make my dream true. The staff at Evision is extremely supportive and friendly. From the first date, their dedication to every student was clear. The teachers are highly experienced and make tough topic easy to understand. They ensure that every student learn the concept well, no matter their background. I am truly thankful to eVision for their guidance and support. For fresher and job seeker, my advice is to trust eVision process. If you want to save time, effort while building a successful career in IT, eVision TechnoServe is the perfect choice. I am proud to be the part of eVision. I highly recommend it to anyone who aiming to the bright future. Thank you eVision TechnoServe for helping me.